You used to be able to stand out on Pearl Street, right here at the corner of wherever I am, 15th and Pearl, and see the Flatirons from here. And you can't do it because the city went and put this big-ass building up and blocked the mountains. And then some nitwit put this building up last year and blocked the sun here. We've got these monstrosities coming up all over the city, and it blocks the view of the mountains. Jesus H. Christ. Now, this one used to be a nice low building, had a rooftop and everything, and now they went and built this mother. So this one blocks the skyline here. Yeah, hey, I'm Jan Scott looking at building heights in Boulder. You see, this is what a building height should look like in Boulder, and you can see the sky view and you get some mountains. But then they got this height variance and they went and put this mother up next to it. And, you know, this maybe just meets it. I don't know. We're looking. You see, all the buildings are supposed to be around this height because from here, you can see the mountains. The idea is that you can walk up the Pearl Street Mall and you can see the Flatirons from any place on the Pearl Street Mall. This developer, Loeffler, in the 1960s built this monstrosity, and this was the first rule breaker. And that's when they really brought the rules in to stop this kind of stuff from happening. What is it, a 12, 15-story building? But the heights kept sneaking up. This one was built in 1976 when the Con Dress Shop building burned down. But see, this broke all the height limitations too. In the 1930s, when the Boulder Theater was built, this was a tall building. And you see, all over Boulder, we start to exceed the height limitations. Here's the Loeffler building, that 12 or 15-story monstrosity. But right next to it, here's another one. 1, 2, 3, 4 stories. They had to get a variance. Now this one looks like it hits right on. It's the bus station. They didn't go above the height, you know, regulation. Look, here's the post office built in the 1930s. It's doing fine, but right across the street from it at 14th and Walnut, another monstrosity. Sorry about the sun, folks. Okay, here's the Bing building. It looks like it falls within the height limitations.